one of the most powerful feature inside our platform, the interactive whiteboard. So the feature is designed specifically for teachers who want a smooth, natural teaching experience while conducting live classes or recording sessions. As you can see here, the whiteboard allows you to write very smoothly using a pen or a stylus. So almost like writing on a physical board. Whether you are explaining formulas like you are writing pi by 4 or something like this, or solving problems, drawing diagrams. So here you can also draw your own diagrams, whatever you want, and teach. So basically, along with writing, teachers can also draw shapes and create quick sketches and visually explain concepts in real time. Now, if you want to emphasize something important, I can simply use a highlighter. So here we have a highlighter. So I can use a highlighter and you can use different colors over here, right? Or you can also use a marker. So this is the marker, and to focus students' attention on key points. And of course, we have added all essential control teachers needs during a live session. So you have the undo option over here or a redo option over here. And specifically, you want to erase a particular section, so you can do that. If you can also do is you can delete, fully erase whenever you want to clean up the board completely. So the goal here is to make teaching seamless without interrupting the flow of the explanation. Now let me show you another feature that is coming next. Very soon the teachers will be able to upload the documents directly onto the whiteboard. So here you would have the option to upload the PDFs, notes, worksheets, or presentations. And once the document is uploaded, you can teach directly on top of it. Means you can highlight important section, mark answers, annotate diagrams, add handwritten explanations beside the content, or even solve questions live while students watch. So instead of switching between multiple tools, everything happens in one teaching environment. So this creates a much more interactive and engaging learning experience for students while making teaching faster and more efficient for educators. And this is just the beginning. Our focus is to make online teaching feel as natural and effective as online classroom teaching. Thank you.